While many people think of birding as a spring or summer activity, in fact, birding is fantastic in winter when there are lots of interesting species to check out. Here are 5 top tips for birding in winter. First, don't just put out one single feeder and call it a day. Instead, hang a variety of feeders to make your yard attractive to a broader number of species. Tube feeders and hopper feeders are great, or you could even hang suet in an empty mesh bag or vegetable bag. Suet is a high-energy food, which is particularly useful for birds in winter. Second, our experts suggest offering a variety of seeds. Most birds like black oil sunflower seeds, but striped sunflower seeds, safflower seeds, white millet, and Niger seeds are also good options. Next, avoid seed mixes that contain wheat, oats, or flax. Most birds will turn their beaks up at that stuff unless they're desperate. Some will even fling it out of the feeder altogether. Either way, it will get moldy, and mold can be harmful to birds' respiratory systems, even fatal. At the very least, it will probably attract rodents. Number 4, and this is a courtesy we pay to all of our neighbors in winter. After a snowfall, stomp down the area below the feeders. This makes it easier for ground feeding birds to access fallen seeds. Lastly, make sure to keep your feeders clean. Dirty feeders can spread disease, so be sure to wash them out with warm water and soap every few weeks, or more often if they're heavily used or if there's been a warm spell. Happy birding!